What's going on, fellow vapors? Defazio Vapes here, and I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. And if you stick with me to the very end, what I'm going to be giving you is two sites where I get all of my vape gear and my juices. And the reason I'm showing you guys these is because if you go to your local shop, yes, you're going to get your vape gear instantly, but you're also going to be paying a crazy amount, a crazy price for your vape gear. Alright, so I want to use this, for example, my Vaping drag mod. So I'm just going to pull this up here. We're at Vapor DNA. Okay, Vapor DNA is where I get all my mods from, right? And Aspen Valley Vapes is where I get all my juice from. I'm going to be going over both of these sites, and if you want to get access to either one of them, there will be discount codes below. All you got to do is pick the button, slap in that discount code, and you're going to be saving yourself a ton of money on any vape gear that you want. Now, make sure, if you haven't already, somewhere on this page you can subscribe to the YouTube channel where I'm going to be coming out with vape reviews. I have a bunch of different vapes that I'm going to be reviewing. I have a couple Smock stick mods, and I also have the new Smock Mag Mini, which I'm going to be reviewing here in the next couple days. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for those videos to come. But let's jump right into it. Vaping. Alright, we're going to do Vaping drag. We're going to post that in. Now, what I want to show you guys is this mod right here. Just the box itself at my local vendor is about $79. So you can get it on here for $47. If you want to get a tank with it as well, you can get it for $69. Okay, that's the actual brand new tank. This is the one that I have right now. So not only are you going to, just in general, save yourself a ton of money, you're also going to be able to get awesome reviews, right? So if you scroll down, you can see all the specs, and you can see reviews from real people. You can see video reviews, right on the page. You don't have to go anywhere. And the best thing about ordering online, if you haven't already, everything's secure, and you can get it shipped directly to your door. And if there's any issues, you can just simply send it back, and they'll help you. They'll send you a new mod. They're very good with their support. So definitely Vapor DNA is what you want to check out. And I mean, like, if we just go over to the best sellers, you can see firsthand, if you're a brand new vapor and you have no idea what's going on, you can just go through, right? Maybe you want to grab this X-Priv baby, right? Or you want to grab something like this. You can go through and you can read all the reviews, which is very, very powerful. Now, once you've got your mod, you can get some e-liquids on here. They have tons of selections of e-liquids on here, vendors and brands that you can choose from. But my favorite place to get juice is from Aspen Valley Vapes. Alright, so you can go through here. They have the naked juice. They have tons of selection that you can go through. So we can just go through e-juice brands. Let me just pull some up here. So let's just go through naked. So you can just go and you can pick, right, all these different kinds of juices. And normally when you go to your local vendor, you're going to see you're going to see one person's review. Maybe they don't vape, maybe they have no idea and they don't like the same juice that you do, right? You want to be able to see other people's reviews. So as you see here, not only is the juice a ton cheaper, right? For a bottle like this at my local vendor, I'm going to be paying about, I think it's like $39 for a bottle like this, or I could get it for $20 online, right? And that's before discount codes. Like I said, there is discount codes if you decide to join below. But ordering online is what I believe to be the best way. Now, if you want to go by, you can get sample boxes. You can browse juice by flavors, right? So you can go through new juices. You can pick your VP and or VG and PG levels. You can browse your nicotine levels, right? One thing that I notice, I smoke 3 mil, right? So when I'm going to the vape shop and I want to pick out a juice, maybe I find a juice that I like, but they don't have 3 mil in it, right? So that just, shoots me in the foot and I can't even get that juice. So here I can at least go online and I can find, okay, boom, they got Candy King, right? These come in big bottles. These Candy King bottles, these 100 mil bottles, are I think $59 or $69 at my local shop. Okay, and I can never get a 3 mil of them. So let's just see. This is my favorite. This is my favorite flavor. So boom, I can get a 3 mil right here, right? Nice and easy. So I could just order that, and I have discount codes like I said below, and you can actually get your juices and your gear online so much cheaper. So I hope you guys got some value from this video. I'm going to keep it nice and short, but go through, order online, and if you do order online, I am going to earn a commission from it, right? Because I am an affiliate for it, but it's also going to help the channel, and it's going to help me come out with new videos, new reviews. So if you guys want me to review anything, make sure you let me know in the comment section below. I'll pick up that mod and I'll start reviewing it. Once we get this channel, to 10,000 views, then we can start doing more reviews on, mods more frequently, right as they're coming out, so that you guys can see firsthand what mods you want to get, what ones you shouldn't get, and all that kind of stuff. So thank you for watching. Please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you haven't already, and go out there and make your first purchase online. Pick up a new mod, pick up some juice, and you're going to really see how much easier and how much cheaper it is when you do that ordering online. So this is Defazio Vapes. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.